Top 5 investing mistakes that cost you thousands. Avoid these. Stop. If you're investing, you could be making mistakes that are costing you thousands without even realizing it. But don't worry, I've got your back. In the next few minutes, I'll expose the top 5 investing mistakes that even smart investors make and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, trying to time the market. Let's be real. No one can predict the stock market, not even the experts. But many investors make the huge mistake of buying high and selling low because they try to time the market. Mistake 2, not diversifying your portfolio. Putting all your money into just one stock, that's gambling, not investing. If that company crashes, you could lose everything. Mistake number 3, investing without research. If you wouldn't buy a car without checking its history, why would you buy a stock without researching it first? Mistake number 4, ignoring fees and taxes. Most investors forget about fees and taxes until they see how much money they've lost. Some brokers sneak in hidden fees, and short-term trading can trigger high tax bills. Mistake number 5, letting emotions control your investments. Newsflash, fear and greed are your worst enemies. The fix? Have a clear investment plan, stick to it, and avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or hype. Final thoughts. Be a smart investor. Want to grow your wealth instead of losing money? Avoid these 5 mistakes. Stay informed and invest wisely. Comment below, which mistake have you made before? Let's learn together. Like and subscribe for more investing tips. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss an update.